Hello world, my name is Jay Burger. What you're about to see is me unboxing the Grille in a lot of loud plastic. Unfortunately, I didn't record me installing it because I thought it'd be kind of a little bit of a hassle. I had a buddy help me install it, which wasn't too hard to be honest. I thought it was very easy if you know how to take off your bumper. I'd like to give a special thanks to my friend for helping me install it, and a special thanks to I-5 AutoHaus for sending it down so swiftly. Yeah, enjoy the video. Finally got it, folks. Alright, so today I got the LED grill in. Hopefully it's the right one. We're gonna check it out right now. That's what it looks like when you cut it open. Looks alright so far. Looks like it's the correct grill. That's awesome. It's pretty dope. Oh man, I'm excited. So, yeah, that's definitely better plastic than I thought. It probably is cheap ABS plastic, but it's kind of got some quality finish to it. Here's like the LED box, I think. There it is right there. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this thing installed. That's the unboxing of it. And yeah, I-5 AutoHaus, pretty legit. Go check them out.